Hey friends, super excited to give you a flip through of our newest deluxe little golden books kits to make your own junk journal out of. This year we've got Peter Rabbit and Home for Bunny. Here's just kind of a model of what I made. So each kit will come with a 1970s little vintage character. You can make a charm out of it. You can make a hidden paper clip. I got a paper clip in there. You could shove it up its you-know-what. And enough paper to make probably 2 signatures. I chose to do more of a folio situation with lots of pockets to hold my spring stash. But this is kind of like what I did with it, and I made it into like a travel journal style so that I could add pages to it if I wanted to. So it looks something like this, but in each of these packs, you'll get something very, very similar. The difference is going to be paper and, of course, material that is being used. So let's look at the Home for Bunny real quick. So the fabric that you get for the spine, and of course you get the spine itself. It's in here somewhere. Oh, it's right here. Just going to take this apart. Here's your spine, and it's wrapped with crepe paper so that you can make a cute like little ruffle. A little ruffle like how I did there. So yeah, so you'll be getting, wait, I'm losing track of this. This, and then this is the fabric for the spine. We've got some more ribbons and such for, you know, the outside of it. Got some more cute little notions here. You of course get your bunny that you can either make a charm out of. The hardware is included. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, the hardware is included, that or a paper clip, and you just heat it and you shove it up its rear, and then you can set it like that. You get some fun ephemera, some extra beads if you go the charm route, but again, this is a creative package for you to make whatever you want to make. More ephemera in here are, I've kept the entire page so that you can fussy cut if you wanted to add some extra ephemera to it. So that's always fun in lots of different pages. It comes with an actual pocket that's already created. Let me just take this whole damn thing apart real quick so you can see. Okay, so it comes apart like this. Now you have another little pocket here. You can make a cute little straw out of and have them like dangle off here. I mean, there's so many different things that you can do. Of course, you get your Home for Bunny. You can take this apart and use the pages itself for part of the pages for your book, or you can take them out and just fussy cut. You get lots and lots of different vintage papers. So here's like, you know, you can do more fussy cutting, or you can add them. Again, like it's really limited to, there's no limit to it, right? So here's like a pocket that you get with it. So you can put it in there. You can take these cute little things, paste them here. That's kind of like what I did over here because it was white. So I just pasted some pictures like that. Yeah, and then you just get lots of vintage paper. Some of this is from 1908, going all the way up to the 60s and 70s, old magazines, text, you name it, and then just writing paper. And of course the instructions. So this is just this is just like the starting base of what you can do with this, but I just thought that this would be so much fun to kind of get people started. And I got to put this back together again. Totally fine, totally worth it. So there's this one, and then we also have the same situation, except with this one we have, here's the spine. You get a spine with that. The fabric is, look at how cute this is. Look at how adorable this is. It's an actual ribbon, but you can do like this, right? And you can use this for the spine if you choose to do it that way, and then layer it like with this. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? You see where I'm going with this? Yeah. So you can do that as well. You have a little purpley, some of them are blue, not all of the kits have the purple, but of course you get this, and then this kind of the same thing. You get the ephemera kit. This one has extra cardboard in it backing, so you can do a bookmark, you can hang him off. There's so many things, again, that you can do with it. And then the ruffling, things like that. So those, that's what these kits are all about. So we're going to be playing with these in the Maker Circle on the stack. So feel free to follow over there. If this video you're seeing it on the stack, welcome. But this is a flip through of what we have. So thanks so much for watching.